Hey, welcome once again to this video. So remember, we did the register IPN and getting all the registered IPN, but remember when we coded registered IPN, we created this file here, pin.php, but also we can see here we registered pin.php and created this file. So here in this video I'm going to teach you on how you can set the pin.php or your callback. Let me rename this this register IPN. Let me rename it to callback so that you can it should make more sense in you. Callback. Let me just do that, then copy that, then I will rename this again and setting it as callback. So here I'm setting how you can receive on your IPN URL, the registered IPN URL, how you can receive the callback data that will be sent with JSON. So on this callback, I will just remove this, then I will write header. Then the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to write here content type application JSON because that's what is being received. Then I'm going to write a pin callback data. So pin callback data, I will get the file get content, which is PHP, then stroke input that. So I will just log a file, log file. Then the log file will be set to the log file that I want to do. I will just write here, let me name the log file that will be sent. So I will write there like a callback.log, but I will store it in JSON format because it's been sent on JSON format. Then I will do that, then copy, then put the colon, the exclamation marks, then I will open the log file, which is this. Then the next thing that I will do, I will write fwrite. I will write that, let me do this. I will write here log, then write the file, which is this. For the file, I will input the data that is being sent to this callback by doing write log data, which is there. Then I will put it to this data which is there will be sent and set to this file. So I hope you have understand. So when the data that is being sent will be received, then it will be stored to this file. Then the next thing that I just need to close that file, that log file, so that it means that we have stopped. So here it's what will be there, but let me rename this and write it as pin let me write pin URL, then I will write this pin URL callback. So pin URL callback. So when this page here, the register callback here, this one will be set here. When this callback will be set here, let me register it first. So let me register it here, register pin. I want to register that URL here. So that means I've registered it because it has echoed the register ID. And then I will just come here and confirm if it is working perfectly. So let me close this first. So the last one that we have done is this. So let me come here and get this, then open it again. So it will load that here, and then you can see it has created that, but we will receive it from there. And then remember that your register pin here, you will where is registered pin, you will set it to post because the data will be sent via post here. So you'll set it as post, then here you will receive the data that is there. So that's how you set on how you can receive the callback data will be sent there. So the next thing is what we are going to combine this and see on how you can collect payment using Pesapal API. So stay tuned and please subscribe to this video.